So, you see what's going on behind me? See the chase trigger over there in the front of the Monte Carlo? Yes, sir. We're going to pull in the motor out today to 350 so we can get ready to put the 6.0 in. The 6.0 should be put together within the next week and be in the car so we can get this thing going. So stay tuned in. We're going to get this thing ready and get ready to come out, and I'm going to cut y'all back on when it's on the channel. Alright, y'all. Back. Pretty sure I got everything unloaded. I'm about to see now. I had a little bro crank it up right now while I'm watching it. Go ahead, bro, cranking. See if anything moving. Crank it up. Yeah. She moving. Hold on. Okay then. Let's see something. Go ahead. Let me see. I'm gonna lift this up to help little bro get it up some more, and then I'm gonna cut y'all back on in a second. Alright, y'all. She out of there. 350. Yeah, push it off the brake boost or something. She out of there. You know what that means.
Switch me legs real quick, bro.
Y'all know what that mean, right? Y'all know what that mean, right? We ready. What we ready for? What are we ready for? Let me get this out of here for real so I could cut y'all back on. It's nighttime now. Y'all see how that Monte looking tonight? Yes, sir. Was able to get that engine out today. Did a little work to the motor as well. Got 2 of the heads back in there. 1 and 2. Y'all tune in tomorrow and see what else I get done. Catch y'all later. Peace.